Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and the bane of my existence living on a farm is dealing with the flies that get in the house. Now, I can't tolerate them buzzing around, and the other thing I can't tolerate are fly swatters that always bend in the middle and get misshapen, because that means when I go to swat that fly, I might miss. So this pair of fly swatters from Foxany have been so nice. Just check out how strong they are. Like, I am really trying to bend this and it is not bending. So that is amazing. They're also telescoping, which I really like because that means that they're going to take up less space. I can just telescope them down, stick them in a corner, and then they're ready for use whenever I need to get that pesky fly. Having two is great because then I can have one in a couple different rooms because, you know, the fly is never going to be where you want it to be, where the fly swatter is. So you need a couple so that you are ready when they invade your space. I love these fly swatters. They are making me very happy, and that's my point of view.